dried fruit from Smimex. So I just received a variety pack of dried fruit. These are from Armenia. So I'm like, let's go for it. Okay, they're not playing around with this bag. Oh, I can smell the fruit. Ooh, okay, I'm gonna do the pear. Ooh, okay. Very fresh. You can taste the freshness in that. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. This is a peach. That's quality vacuum seal. Quality. Let's try the apricot. Onto the apple. Very soft. I'm not a prune person. We're gonna go for it. I can dig it. They're all very, very, very soft. Dried fruit from Smimex.